Hi, welcome in this video. Today we are going to talk about a different kind of ideas and their source. But before to get into the detail, do you know that how many ideas crossing your mind every day? Have you ever thought of it? Have you any put in the place the kind of idea bookkeeping? Okay, if you not, I would like to suggest you to be aware the different ideas crossing your mind, because it could be a great source of your business in future. So before you can practice this in daily life, let's have some exercise here. Let's take a piece of paper, okay, and a pen. Pause this video. Take your time, think of different ideas and classify them according to you. All right? Once you are done, come back to this video again. So, see you soon. Hi, welcome back. I hope you did the exercise. If you haven't, then I strongly recommend you to do it, because this will help you to understand better how this idea actually functions. According to my analysis, or according all the ideas you might have observed in your paper, I can say you can classify them in two categories: possessive ideas and non-possessive ideas. Possessive ideas are those ideas where you have in control, which belongs to you. You are the source of those ideas. And non-possessive ideas are those ideas which is coming from outside world. Okay. It could be from the market, it could be from education center, anywhere, from internet, anywhere. So flowing from outside, all right. So that is exactly non-possessive ideas. In possessive idea, you can say there is many different kind of ideas you can have, like your creative ideas is one type of possessive ideas. The ideas based on your education, idea based on your work experience, idea based on your environment. This is also a possessive idea. This all belongs to you. Okay. So other than these possessive ideas, in external ideas, there are several sources of external ideas also. For example, if you look into the universities, like universities who having a technology transfer department, there you can have a bunch of ideas laying out there. They're waiting for the people to come and develop it. So if you think that you are not creative enough, that's okay. You just get an idea and develop it. Other than the universities, there are other source of ideas is called data gathering. Like you gathering a data on particular countries, niche market, any industry, analyzing the data and coming up with your version of idea. There is a market survey which help you to get the ideas from other people. Also, the ideas from customers who usually give a lot of ideas, and the internet, and the incubators in the education center or non-education centers. There is a lot of you can see the ideas. Also the crowdfunding websites, brainstorming with your friends. These are all different kind of different external source of your ideas. So if you keep observing those ideas, soon you will realize that you're surrounded with many ideas. So whether you are creative or not, you deserve an idea to start the business, and you can find it easily anywhere. So see you soon in the next video. Thank you for your attention.